Hey everybody, Lennon here, LFI Digital Marketing. And like I mentioned in my last email, I'm going to go over how to supercharge your sales by going over the basic structure of a sales funnel to start off with. All right, so let's hop right into it. So here's the basic structure of a sales funnel. So most sales funnels are built around this model. You have attention, interest, desire, and action. So here's an example of what a Facebook ad might look like. So you've got the attention portion. So you have eye-catching creatives, effective headlines designed to get people to stop scrolling and look at your ad. This is where you're grabbing the person's attention and really having them look at your ad. It stands out, it's eye-popping. It has something different from the rest of the ads that are currently on Facebook. The next thing you have is interest and desire. So this is where a lot of the ad copy comes into play here to hook them once they start reading it after you have their attention. It speaks to the problem your prospect is facing. Like, how can you help them in order to build their interest and desire for what you have to offer? It's got to be specific to their problem, and you have to have the solution for them that they're looking for. Action. So your CTA, or your call to action, it leads them to the next step in your funnel. So an example can be something like, click here to get my free ebook, or tap here to join the webinar or to view my video, things like that. Something that'll lead them right to that next step in your sales funnel. So this would obviously repeat on your opt-in page. So a headline to anchor their attention, bullets to drive home benefits and build interest and desire, followed by a call to action. So for example, when they fill out the form, click here to get my PDF now. Just an example. So this will go on in every single step of your sales funnel until they purchase. I mean, it's called a funnel for a reason, right? Because people will inevitably fall off at each transition. So to see where people fall off, we can divide the funnel into 3 sections. We have the top of the funnel. So these are people who are just becoming aware of your brand. So example, people who saw your Facebook ad and maybe clicked to go to your landing page. Middle of the funnel. So these are people who have shown some interest in what you have to offer, but haven't really committed yet. So they've glanced at it, they've taken a look at your ad, they'll click on your ad to look at the landing page, but they haven't really considered committing to it just yet. So perfect example. People who have opted into your email list, but haven't taken the time to sit through a webinar or watch one of your videos. Bottom of the funnel. So you have people who have expressed an intent to take action, but maybe haven't done so yet. These are most likely to buy, and they are your hottest leads. So an example, people have clicked on your email, watched your webinar or video, and maybe even visited the landing page. So what are your next steps here? Well, this helps provide you with an understanding of where people are within your sales funnel, be it a Facebook ad, a YouTube video ad, Instagram, whatever channel you're using. It also gives you the insight you need to help move them along towards a buying decision. So in my next video, I'll explain what you can do to help them take action so you can make the most of your efforts. So stay tuned for that.